Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Traxxas has this super sale going on right now. You can get two of these for almost the price of one, but it's like $170 or $160 off if you buy two. Pretty good deal. So it makes them like $150 pretty much. But couldn't turn it down, so me and my buddy went in on it. Both got one of them. But yeah, let me get this thing taken out of the box and we'll see what it's about. Here it is. All its glory. Got the typical TQ remote, no TSM. Came with an optional gear. I guess that's a high-speed gear. Okay, well, we're definitely gonna get that thrown on. A typical little crap toolkit and some extra body clips. I like it. So I'll put that off to the side here. Get these clips taken off. Pop this body off of here. Ooh, that looks so good. So glad I went with the blue one. What? I didn't even notice. It has a fade. You can barely pick it up in the camera. It gets dark and kind of has a metallic flake to it. Man, I love it. It's got lights. Inside, it's just got a typical XL5. XL5 with a 12 turn. Nothing special about that. Plenty of room in here. Looks like there's another hole back here in case for the upgrade. I already did the upgrade on the Corvette, the C8. You can probably check out my other videos. Went VXL on that and tried to turn it into a speed car, but I haven't really got it that fast and kind of gave up on it for a while. So maybe I'll get it back out. This one I might leave stock for a little bit, just gear it up. Might do a little on-road driving, but really I have this VXL motor. It's a 2-pole, one of the older ones. Been laying around. But I don't have a good ESC for it. I got this cheap eBay special, I could throw in, but I might as well just get me a nice Castle ESC. So I'm gonna get me one of those, and once I do, then I'll make another video with throwing that all in. But yeah, this thing is awesome. Check out them rims. I like the look of it. The clipless body is pretty cool. You get the lights all zip tied in and nice. You got these foam pads, I guess, to keep it from rubbing the sides. But yeah, you just got this hook up here. You just kind of lean it forward and hooks, and then it has 2 body pins back there. But check that out. Isn't that awesome? So I figured I'd do a quick comparison of the two. So this is a C8. It's the Fortec 3.0 as well. The other back wheel is pretty much lined up. You can tell it's the hot rod's definitely, I don't know, an inch longer wheelbase. Maybe 3/4, but maybe that'll help with handling. I'm not sure. So I wish they would have done full clipless like the C8, because on the C8 you got a clip back here and a clip up here, and you take the body right off. You can see I've full on upgraded this one. It's the same motor though, so curious to see what difference it'll make with the Castle. But yeah, I've done everything, sway bars, arms, but Just busted a rear axle, so it's 3-wheel drive right now. Need to get a new part for it. But yeah, they're very similar. I mean, overall, it's the same car. It's just a little bit different length and different bumper layout. So, just when you lay it like that, it ain't much at all. Huh. Yeah. It's like 1/4 of an inch. But yeah. Try and keep this one a little cleaner. It's awesome. Pretty awesome. Fun cars. Alright, that's going to do it. I'm going to change this gear to the high-speed gear. I'm not going to record that. You've seen it. It's pretty simple. You got 2 screws or a couple screws. Take this cover off. There's 4 screws, and the motor just slides right out. It's got letters on it. This will probably tell you what letter to use. If not, the manual will. You got to change the motor to different holes with the letters on it. Put your gear on, and you're done. It meshes itself. Pretty awesome. So I'm going to do that, and then maybe I'll take it out for a rip on video. And that'll be it for this one. I already hit low voltage. I guess my battery wasn't that charged. Looks nice out here. Alright, I decided to throw the high-speed gear in it. See what it's about. So, take it for a little rip here in the street. Definitely not fast. Got some torque though. Imagine that motor's pretty hot. Let's see. Wow, it's actually not bad. I'm able to hold my hand on it. Interesting. Interesting. That's the high speed gear too. And it says no stop starts just for high speed, but